If you want to take a macro photo on a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open the camera. And of course, in the photo mode, you should be able to find the macro mode. You might be able to find it over here in the top left corner, so you can tap on it in order to open the photo settings, and then you should be able to have it highlighted, or you can just tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner, and then look for the macro focus. Now in this case, we can set it to automatic or just always enabled. We can just set it on. And now we can point at the subject that we want to capture. So let's say I'm gonna try to capture this wheel over here. And the closer you put the camera, well, actually the focus is so great that we don't have to worry about it. But in some cases, of course, the focus might be quite worse when we keep the camera too close, but not in this case. The camera is actually pretty wonderful in this case, so we can easily capture a photo from really close distance. But in case you need some additional help with keeping the camera close to the subject, instead you can use the zoom. It's still gonna work pretty well. Even 5x might be quite decent. Of course, the more zoom you use, the worse the photo will look like. I mean, it will just drop the quality because, well, zoom does that essentially. And that's pretty much it. So two important things when taking macro photos is that the macro focus, of course, that's the first thing. And the second thing might be the distance between the camera and the subject. But we can use zoom in order to help ourselves with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.